Good evening everyone. Welcome to DPS Prime Time. I am Diva from class 12 and in today's episode we will take you the whirlwind of events that made April a month to remember at DPS Balotra. Our new academic session began on 3rd April, marking the new year of learning and growth. We also celebrated Mahavir Jayanti on 9th April, followed by Hanuman Jayanti on 12th April, which filled our school with devotion and cultural spirits. On April 14th, our teachers participated in a training session, enhancing their skills and promoting their well-being. We also marked Earth Day on 16th April, reinforcing our commitment to protecting the environment and to spreading its awareness. With the parent orientation program, which was held on 19th April, welcomed our parents with valuable insights into our upcoming academic year for grades 1st to 5th. Our 8th Foundation Day, which was celebrated on 24th April, highlighted our growth, achievements and a journey that we have shared together. And top it all off, the Inter-House Poster Making Competition, which was held on 26th April, gave platform to students to showcase their creativity with a focus on digital responsibility. It's been a month full of learning, growth and achievements. Let's dive into the details of this exciting events right here on DPS Prime Time.
Good evening, I am from class 6 and welcome to DPS Prime Time. It's a fresh start at DPS Balotra as our students step into a new academic journey full of excitements and big dreams. The campus is buzzing with energy as everyone embarks on a year of learning and success. Here's to making this academic year unforgettable with new opportunities and achievements ahead. That's all for now on DPS Prime Time. I am Marush, wishing you all the best for a wonderful year ahead.
Good evening. I am Riyan Salicha from class 6B, here with an inspiring update from our school. On the occasion of Mahavir Jayanti, DPS Balotra organized a special event where students presented a skit and mantra recitation reflecting the teachings of Lord Mahavir. Certificates were awarded to recognize the talent and efforts of our young performers. Guided by our principal, Mrs. Rachna Bakshi, the event was a perfect blend of culture, spirituality and education. That's all for now on DPS Prime Time. Thank you for watching.
Good evening everyone, welcome to DPS Prime Time. I am Diva from class 12, bringing you a special update from our school. On April 12th, Hanuman Jayanti was celebrated in our school with great devotion and enthusiasm. A special assembly was organized, adding a spiritual touch to the occasion along with some inspiring messages. Students of class 12C presented a thought-provoking skit on social welfare highlighting the e-government services which makes a positive impact on the society. Our principal, Ms. Rachna Bakshi, addressed our students with great words, encouraging them to serve with empathy and power. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. I am Diva and let's keep spreading positivity and care.
Good evening. Welcome to DPS Prime Time. I am Raghav from class 9 and here's a special update from our school. On 14th April, DPS Balotra hosted a wonderful teacher training session in collaboration with Remarkable Education. It was led by Dr. Prachi Gaur and Mr. Sushil Chaudhary. Teachers learned about practical learning techniques, how to take care of their mental well-being, and the important role they play in school branding. Our respected principal, Mrs. Rachna Bakshi, also shared her thoughts and encouraged teachers to keep learning and growing. It was a meaningful and motivating day, helping our educators get even better for the sake of all our students. That's all for now on DPS Prime Time. Thank you for watching and stay inspired.
Good evening. You are watching DPS Prime Time. I am Kumkum from class 12, here with an inspiring story from my school. On April 16, DPS Balotra celebrated Earth Day in collaboration with Rajasthan State Pollution Control Board. The day was filled with creativity and awareness as students are participated in essay writing and poster making competition. The competition were held in three categories for classes 1st to 5th, 6th to 8th and 9th to 12th. The students expressed their powerful thoughts on climate change, pollution and sustainable living through their writing and art. The event was graced by officials of Pollution Control Board and high school teachers.
They appreciated students' efforts and reminded us how important it is to care for our planet. The program was ended with a strong message. Every small step we take can lead to a big change for our Earth. That's all for now on DPS Prime Time. I'm Kumkum. Let's keep working together on greenery tomorrow. Thank you for watching.
Good evening. You are watching DPS Prime Time. I'm Kumkum from class 12 here with a proud update from our school. On April 19, DPS Balotra successfully conducted Parents Orientation Program for grades 1st to 5th with great energy and active participation. Our respected principal, Ms. Rachna Bakshi, addressed the parents, sharing school vision, values, and our commitment for holistic education. Parents appreciated the session and expressed their trust, happiness in being part of DPS family. It was a meaningful start to promising academic year. Here's to joyful learning ahead. That's all for now on DPS Prime Time. I am Kumkum. Thank you for watching.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to DPS Prime Time. I am Diva from class 12 here with a proud update of our school. On 24th April, our school celebrated its 8th Foundation Day with great joy and enthusiasm. The event was filled with vibrant cultural programs where our students showcased their talents through dance, music, and drama. The special moment was the warm welcome of our alumni who returned to share its memories and to inspire our current students. Our director, Mr. Dilip Salicha, and our principal, Ms. Rachna Bakshi, addressed the gathering, encouraging them to keep striving for excellence. The day was full of pride, celebration, and memories. A journey of DPS Balotra and its bright future. That's all for today. This is Diva signing off. Stay inspired.
Good morning, I am Udita from 9th and here are some exciting updates from our school.
On 26th April, the Inter-House Drawing Competition was held at
Balotra, where students from grade 1 to 12 displayed their artistic and creative skills.
The theme of the competition, Digital Responsibility, Pause Before You Post, encouraged students to reflect on the impact of digital choices. The competition was a huge success, with students displaying remarkable creativity, and the judges were impressed with the clarity and originality of the messages.
On 30th April as well, the dance competition was held for classes 1 to 12 and it was a huge success as well.
Congratulations to all the participants and thank you for making this event such a success.
Good evening and welcome to DPS Prime Time. I am Sakshi Soni and today we are thrilled to share big step forward in world of education right here at Delhi Public School Balotra. With the future knocking at our door, DPS Balotra proud to announce the official launch of Artificial Intelligence and Coding as a part of core curriculum. Starts from grade 1 to 12 and starting academic session 2025 to 2026. Congratulations to entire DPS Balotra family for the exciting transformation. From building logical thinking to understanding machine learning concepts, students will now explore world of AI and computer programming at the appropriate age and engaging way. This integration is not just about learning technology, it's about preparing our students to lead the digital world, said by Head of Curriculum Innovation at DPS Balotra. That's all for now on this special bulletin. Stay with us DPS Prime Time for more inspiring stories and updates from our campus.
That's all for our today's episode at DPS Prime Time. April has been a month full of learning, growth, and achievements. Thank you for joining us and stay tuned for more updates. This is Diva signing off. Have a great evening.